Here's Clarissa trying to save Loki.
I didn't even want to come up here.
At our creek that we walked down to, close to our house.
Oh, this house has gone out.
What happened, Loki?
I got stuck.
You got stuck?
Yeah, but
Did you go too far?
no?
You didn't go too far? There's the sun coming out to join us. Beautiful. Beautiful creek. Loki gets to play. And we all have fun. Oh, there's Clarissa and Jaden going now. Too funny. Relaxing creek. That sun coming through. Gorgeous. Down the river a little bit, and look what we see. They're over that way, so we'll head that way now. Another beautiful spot. Waterfall down at the end of our road. And there's Clarissa.